Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the versatile 3-in-1 Baby Bassinet Bedside Sleeper. A must-have for new parents seeking convenience and safety. This innovative bassinet can be used as a standalone crib, a bedside sleeper, or a standalone bassinet with a mosquito net, offering you the flexibility to switch modes effortlessly. Designed with breathable mesh sides, it ensures optimal airflow and visibility, while the high-density foam mattress provides comfort and spine support for your little one. With 5 adjustable height settings and an incline mode, this bassinet adapts to your needs, and its large storage basket keeps baby essentials within reach. The lightweight yet sturdy aluminum alloy frame, featuring an original wood color design, meets ASTM and CPSIA standards, ensuring both style and safety for infants up to 19.84 pounds or 0 to 5 months old. Quick assembly is a breeze, taking just 3 minutes without the need for tools, and the removable, machine-washable sheets and side fabrics make cleaning a snap. Plus, its portable folding design and included storage bag make it easy to take this bassinet anywhere, providing peace of mind and convenience for parents on the go. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.